How to make your presentation point memorable using storytelling. Have you ever sat through a presentation and wondered how some speakers manage to captivate their audience while others struggle? The secret often lies in storytelling. So, how can you make your presentation point memorable using storytelling? Let's break it down. First, start by framing your key message within a clear narrative structure. This helps engage your audience both emotionally and intellectually. Storytelling can transform complex information into relatable experiences. This makes it easier for your audience to remember your main ideas. Begin with a strong hook. This could be a surprising fact, a question, or a brief personal story. The goal is to draw your audience in by connecting to what they already know or care about. Use vivid descriptions and sensory details to create a mental picture. This makes your point more tangible and easier to recall. Next, incorporate a story arc. This includes a beginning, middle, and end with a clear challenge or conflict and a resolution. This structure creates suspense and keeps listeners engaged. As they follow the progression of your idea, they become more invested in your message. Analogies or metaphors can simplify complex concepts. By linking them to familiar experiences, you make your ideas more accessible. Personal anecdotes or quotes add authenticity and emotional depth. This makes your message more relatable and trustworthy. Visual elements can also play a key role. Images, charts, or videos can complement your story and reinforce key points. This creates a richer experience for your audience. Consider classic storytelling frameworks like the hero's journey. Present a problem, describe the journey of overcoming it, and conclude with the lesson learned. This approach helps your audience see the value of your message through a narrative of growth. From a study skills perspective, refining your presentation skills through storytelling aids in long-term academic planning. It makes your communication more effective and memorable. Practicing storytelling techniques also helps you organize your thoughts clearly. This is essential for academic success. When preparing your presentation, identify the core message you want your audience to remember. Develop a story around that message, including a relatable context and a clear progression. Use descriptive language and emotional elements to engage your audience fully. Support your story with visuals that highlight and clarify your points. Finally, practice delivering your story naturally. This keeps your audience interested and ensures your point sticks. By using storytelling strategically, you can transform your presentation from a simple transfer of information into an engaging experience. This leaves a lasting impression on your audience.